Folks, do you want 18-foot travel trailers bunkhouse with indoor, outdoor, outdoor, indoor? This is a beautiful, brand new 183 bunkhouse Apex Nano. And the dry weight of this unit, 3734. So it's an 18-foot unique floor plan of a bunkhouse, full walk-around bed in the front, a sofa, and a dinette. And they're bringing the outdoor to inside and the inside to the outside. So let me show you the brand new 2026 Apex Nano with the off-road tires, 183BH. The major changes, this floor plan, we never had it in the 25. That's number one. Number two, on the 26, they changed the whole entire wood look inside. So if you notice the oak, the like a brownish coffee oak cabinet versus it used to be white cabinet. They changed the front decals and they add the Dalmatians on the top above over the word Coachmen. They make the window a little bit bigger, metal in the front. They have the chrome logo of Apex on the unit. Nice LED, two front LED light on both sides. Two propane tank with the cover. Going over here, we have 4 stabilizer jack. The door is so big and it's accommodated both way. And you could see it's a 30 amp controller. It's right there with the lights. The beautiful floor plan in this one is they give you the nice power awning with LED lights. But this is new niche about Apex, is they bringing the outdoor to indoor and the indoor to outdoor. And let me show you, by just if the camera stay man here, how this is so convenient. So the convenience about this unit, so I'm sitting here, I have a nice shade, I could lower it down if I want privacy. If I want a screen, I could raise this screen more, and so the bugs will not come in. But I could enjoy the view, I could enjoy the look through the window. And that's what the beauty about the unit is. I could have bigger window in the front. Also, if you want privacy, no problem, just drop it. Now, if you are enjoying the time with your wife, you just come over here, and when you are barbecue, because it comes the grill with the fridge, you could tell the wife, could you pass me some meat? Or when you cooking for your kids and the kids sitting on this nice bench table, they will pass them whatever they needed from chicken, food, this. So that's the beauty about this unit. They bring the indoor to the outdoor. And that's the benefit of this unit. Now let's go outside and continue the features. Now, on our 18-footers, a lot of travel trailers, you lose the 3-seating area. You lose the sofa and to gain dinette. But with this unit, you have the big bed on the front, the sofa Murphy bed underneath the bed, and then you have the big counter with the 2 chairs. And then this one is a double over double. So let's be focused. 18-footer travel trailers with double over double, because a lot of competitors, they make this floor plan or similar in a single bunk. This is the double bunk. Now, going over here, so you have a nice counter space. You could use it for laying things when you're cooking, whatever you want. You could enjoy the view of the TV outside. And then this TV is go inside. So you could, or if you are tired to take it inside, outside, you could add additional TV inside and then leave this for outside. Again, it's up to you. The bracket there, the location there, it's up to you. Then you have nice shelf. This is a fridge for sodas, beers, water, whatever you want to call it. And then you have the nice grill here. You cook steak, eggs, whatever you want, bacon. Nice shelving here, nice storage. And it's supported by the nice big power awning, so you could enjoy the outdoors. So when you're sitting here and you miss something, you could say, honey, could you pass me the salt? And they pass you the salt. So it's easy and convenient. Again, outdoor, family oriented. You have the backup camera prep in the back, the off-road tires, and it's a good year, made in the USA, not in China. A nice bumper, And then in the back, you have the 30 amp power cord, cable hookup, satellite hookup, sandy flush, outside shower, hot and cold, endless hot water heater. That's a plus. And then you have the city water for the tank, and you have another pass-through storage on the unit. So this is the beauty about this unit. I'm really anxious to go inside and show you the nice features of the 183 bunkhouse Apex. Coming in. Now, the nice feature about this one is the sofa. As you see, I'm sitting here relaxing, enjoying talking to you. It has like 2 cup holders. And also, if you want to sit 3 people, again, you could sit 3 people. There's the location of the TV. As I told you, you could take the TV from outside and put it inside. You could put it on a swing. You could hook it up to the Coax 110. And you could do all of that. It's no problem. Again, we talked about it outside. You could bring your own additional TV and put it in the living, or you could take the one outside, put it inside. But the beauty about it, even if you're sitting on the sofa or you're sitting on the dinette, everybody could watch that TV. Beautiful sofa. You could make the beds very easy. You just fold the cup holder, and again, you have a sofa for 3 seats. Then if you want to make it to bed, you just lower it down, and you have more room. And to make this bed, voila, there's nothing to it. Just fold the bed. That's all you do. And then this one, if you want to bring it up, voila. Look how bright it is. 3 windows, sorry, 2 windows, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this area. And then you have a nice closet, a shelf, more storage right here. There's easy to get in, and here I show you. I lay down on the bed. I could watch the TV from the bracket over there. I could lay down, enjoy the fresh air coming from this big window. Again, you have a lot of things to do with these trailers. And again, it will hold easy 2 people. 1 person here, another person there. So there's no problem. And to put the sofa back, very simple. You just fold it and you put, here, I'll fold it for you guys so you could see. So easy. That's it. There's nothing to it. And voila. Enjoy it. Now, going to the kitchens, they give you everything you need in the kitchen. Big window, high-rise faucet, kitchen counters, cutting board, two-burner range, convection microwave, furnace with a thermostat, place for storage, more storage, more storage. And then you have over here's nice counter space. You could use it as an office. I mean, as again, there's 110 and then there's light here to make it bright. And you could use it as an office. They have really beautiful light. We need to make sure the cameraman come look and show them the beautiful light here. Okay. Amazing. Like it. And then over here you have the double over double for the 2 people on the top. Double over double here. You have a TV hookup right there. Yeah, this is the furnace. The air conditioned big, plenty for this size of this unit. And then you have the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt. Fantastic fan. Speakers inside, outside. A controller for you right here. Solar radio on the roof. 1 piece. Look here, guys. Look here. 1 piece roof. Also the lower bunk. A fold for you. Nice medicine cabinet, sink, or a toilet, place room for washing the kids, cabinet, big shower head, skylight, and the very room. And this window, if it's bothering you, you don't want to see the window, it's very simple, easy. You open the latch. You And then you come down over here, push on it. And voila. It's closed. Ready for you. Folks, all I could say on the Apex 180 is a perfect unit. Please take advantage of it. We have it on a special price, limited offer. You come, grab it from Best RV down in Turlock, California.